Hi everyone, my name is Miss Kruse. What are your guys' names?
I'm Melanie.
I'm Jackie.
Nice to meet you. I'm a student at Iowa State and I am studying to be a teacher. So today I'm going to teach you a lesson and it's going to be about the four physical states of matter. Does anybody know what the states of matter are, or one? No? Okay, so I'm going to teach you all about that today. Okay, so I brought with me a list of the four different states. They are solid, liquid, gas, and a plasma. We're going to go through today, and I brought examples with me to show you what each of those are. So object 1, this would be a solid. Object 2 is liquid, inside of the water bottle. Object 3 would be a gas. To show it's a gas, I need to blow in here. See how it blows up? There, that means there's air as a gas in it. And object 4 is lightning. And I couldn't actually bring lightning with me today, so I just brought a picture for you to see. Okay, so once again, who can tell me what each of these are? Melanie.
Number 1 is a solid.
Good, very good. Jack.
Number 2 is a liquid.
Very good. Okay, Jackie.
Number 3 is a gas.
Very good. And this itself is not a gas, but when I blow in is a gas.
The air is a gas.
Yes, very good. And Melanie.
Number 4 is lightning.
Yes, it is lightning, but do you know what lightning is an example of? Okay, that's plasma, and I'm going to teach you about that. Okay. So, the physical property of a solid is that the particles are packed closely and tightly together, so that's what makes it solid, and so you can see it. If it wasn't a solid, you would be able to squish it or move it. So this is why a solid is particles are packed tightly together. And a liquid is an incompressible fluid, and that means that you can move it as much as you want, and it just fills and forms to the container that it's in. You can move it around, and it fits whatever container it's in. Gas, on the other hand, is compressible. Put it in here, and you can push it, and you can move it around. Just like when you have in a gas tank. That's right. And finally, a plasma. It does not have definite shape or definite volume. Because if you think of lightning, which is an example of plasma, no lightning is ever the same. It never has the same shape, and you can't form it into a specific bottle or a certain thing like that. Okay, so I brought with me today some worksheets for you guys to fill out. And I'm going to leave the objects out so you can keep looking back at them. Okay, so go ahead and work on those, and if you have any questions, go ahead and raise your hand and I will be around to help you.
For number 1, do you want us to put an object?
No, this is the example of object 1. So all you need to do is pick an option from up here that describes object 1.
Okay.
If I wrote it up here, do I have to write it down here?
Yeah, just go ahead, since you did write the types of matter next to it, go ahead and just write the word next to each object that it describes. job. Okay, now that you guys have finished your worksheets, I'm going to go ahead and take those. And it looks like you did an excellent job on those. So I'm going to have you who can raise their hand and give me an example of what a solid looks like, or an example of a solid. Melanie.
A chair.
Very good. And that's a solid because the particles are packed tightly together so you can physically touch it, sit on it. That's a hard, solid object. So very good. What about a liquid?
Water.
Jackie. Yep, very good. Water, pop, juice. Yep, very good. What about a gas? Anybody know
Could
any
one be
example?
a balloon?
Very good. And
Because you
what?
can press it together.
Very good. Good job. And finally, an example of plasma.
Sun?
Sun, yep.
Because you can't shape it. It's
Yeah.
only one shape.
Very good. Electricity, lightning, sun, all examples. So great job today. Anybody have any questions about the states of matter?
No?
Great job. Thank you for being excellent students.